Hello to everyone, I'm Francisco Suarez from Motores, and we're going to explain that disaster here from engine A and engine B and who has the problem here. Okay, so at the beginning we got that engine that was running very good, so the owner forgot to change the timing belt and the timing belt was broken, so we had some damages in the upper side of the engine, in the admission valves and exhaust valves, so the cylinder head is almost fucked up. But however, the lower part, the block and the cylinders are apparently well. So it is a lot of work to do, so we decided to buy another engine completely assembled, and we start to clean it up, but we find some stuff that make us to think that that engine, that one, is worse to be rebuilding that to fix the original one. Why? Is what one I'm going to explain. If you see that orange marks, that indicates that the engine was working with water and not with coolant. That is the first thing that we saw, that we thinking bad thing. And the second one is that we see a lot of dust and some oil in the cylinder heads. In admission, I don't know if you can see there better. Here we go. So this is a bad sign of the life of this engine. So we decided to remove the color and see how it's working in the down part, to see the crank and all the stuff. And you can see there that is even worse. If you see here, there is a problem with the crankshaft. So you can see so many things that indicate that the owner doesn't change the oil frequently, or with the frequently that the should be the right one. You see here is a lot of, it's terrible. So we decided to fix our engine, because we know that even I know that is a little dirt. We can fix this one and make it shiny and works very well. So let's do it. Okay, normally I don't work in that scenario that all parts are in boxes and all is dirty, but in this case in particular we have to remove all the engine parts as soon as possible to take a decision that what are we going to do. So I apologize for this mess. This is a real disaster. This is not the Motores way to work, but we're gonna fix it. This is the before, and we are trying to show you the real life in a garage. We have all the parts here, even the carter. That we have ready to install, because we were thinking that another engine gonna be okay, but it wasn't in that way. So we have here the admission that is almost ready to install. Almost. And we have the oil pump, the used one. We have the new timing belt, the oil filter, and a lot of parts. We have the gearbox. Well, let's gonna start with cleaning all that disaster that we have here and starting to work like we normally or usually work in T-Motores. Bye.